how to write the sound. Hi children, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ezebuchi. If you're new here, we are so happy to have you around. Okay, so please, if you're here, remember to just subscribe to this channel, okay? Like this video and you can share them. Okay, so today we're going to be learning how to write the sound. Wow, who is so excited? Okay, children, so before we do that, we're going to be reciting our sounds from R to what? Z. So watch the screen now and let's do it together. One to go. A, B, K, D, E, G, E, J, K, L, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, W, X, Y, Z. Wow, that was an amazing task. Well done, children. You did an amazing job saying your sounds. Okay, so who can tell me the sound f? Where can we find it? What word starts with the sound f? Amazing, the fish. Good job. And what else? The word fan. Amazing. And what else? The frog. Croak, croak, croak. Wow, that was an amazing one. Well done, children. Okay, so let's watch the screen and see where we can find the sound word. What words can we actually make out of what the sound? So watch it now. Good job. Alright, so well done, children. Now we can find words associated with the sound word f, and we've seen it on our screen. So right now we're moving on to learn how to write the sound f. Now if you're new here, we have done a video on how to write the sound A, B, K, D, E, and right now we're moving on to the sound f. So please, you can go back to the channel and learn how to write the sound. So before we go down there, let's see. Let's have a reinforcement on how to write the sound A. How do we write the sound A? Let's go a back curve, stroke up, down the same line and a loop. Good job. And how do we write the sound B? An amazing stroke down. Stroke up to the middle and a curve. Remember, we don't take our hands off. And how do the next one is A, B. What? K. So how do we write it? Good job. Good job. K. All right. And the next one is what? A, B. K. and super what? D. Okay. Did you see that? A, B, K, D. How do we write the next one? E. The back curve. And today we're going to be learning to write the sound what? Now before we do that, I want you to watch the screen and tell me what sound is this? Good job. And then we're going to do it again for a few more sounds randomly. The next one, look up the screen. What sound is this? Wow, good job. An amazing what? G. Amazing. Okay, what about this sound? What sound is this? Wow, a super fantastic word. Zzz. Good job. And what about this sound? Hello. Wow, the kicking word. Good job. And what about this amazing sound? Wow, that was an amazing one. The sound. Good job. And the final one, what sound is this? The sound what? Qu. And remember, I said that the Q is usually so shy, so it wouldn't make any sound until the best friend is around, and the best friend is the letter what? U. So when they are together, they make the sound Qu. Amazing. I am super proud of you. Okay, so follow me now. Let's learn how to write the sound. Who is happy today? Yay! Okay, children. So for us to write the sound, we're going to go this way. Now watch, okay? And you go put a pencil here, and up curve, stroke down,
a swing,
and a dash. Fantastic word. Let's try that again. Up curve, stroke down,
swing,
and a dash. I'll take it again. Watch. See? A little stroke and the up curve, stroke down,
make a swing,
and a dash. Yeah! Beautiful! Again, don't take your hands off until you are about to write the sound, until you're about to do the dash, okay? So let's see again. An up curve, stroke down,
swing,
and a dash. Did you see that? Okay, so let's come over here, right? So watch again. Up curve, stroke down,
make a swing,
and a dash, right? Again, up curve, stroke down,
swing,
and a dash. The sound like you're floating the air fish. Okay, so let's go again. Now this time around, write it up with me. Up curve, stroke down,
swing,
the dash. Right here, and up curve, stroke down,
a swing,
and the dash. Again, up curve, stroke down,
a swing,
and the dash. Again, up curve, stroke down,
swing,
and the dash. That's how to write the sound word. Now get a pencil, get a paper or your book, and let's write together. 1 to go. Up curve, stroke down,
make a swing,
and a dash. Again, up curve, stroke down,
a swing,
and a dash. Again, up curve, stroke down,
swing,
the dash. Super fantastic. Well done, children. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we are going to write from R to what? 1 to go. Let's go together. A back curve, up, down the same line on the loop. After R, we have what? B. Good job. A stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Good job. So we have R, B. The next sound is what? The sound k. So let's go. A back curve. Good job. The next sound we have is what? D, d, d. It goes what? A back curve. Go up. It's a tall letter. Down the same line and make a loop, right? So let's go again. A, b, k, d. The next is what? E, a dash and a curve. And the next one, a, b, k, d. E and amazing what? So we have it here. Up curve, stroke down.
A swing.
And a dash. Good job. Well done, children. So now we have learned how to write from A down to what? So I want you to keep practicing until I see you in the next video, okay? So remember, if you have forgotten how to write A, look up here on the screen and watch for this thumbnail and go back and watch the video. The same for B, D, E, and F. So look up now to the screen. All these are the thumbnails for you to learn to write A to what? E. And then you come in to join us on this video on how to write the sound F. Well done, children. So give yourself a fantastic tush clap for stopping by to learn how to write the sound F. Let's go. All right, I thought you were doing it. Roll it up, tush, and let it go down. Well done, children. Mrs. Ezebuchi is super proud of you, okay? And I know that mommy and daddy, they are so happy with you. Okay, so this is the end of our video, and I'll see you in the next video where we learn how to write the sound G. Good job. Okay, so bye and see you in the next video.